Imagine a natural supplement that can fuel your workouts, amplify your strength, and accelerate muscle growth. That's the power of creatine. This potent supplement, well loved by athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, holds the secret to enhancing your performance and pushing your limits. So, what exactly is creatine? It's a substance found naturally in muscle cells that helps your body produce more energy during high-intensity workouts. In this video, we'll be delving into the world of creatine monohydrate, discussing its sources, how it works in the body, and the scientifically backed benefits of this supplement. We'll also be covering the recommended dosage, the best timing for intake, and some potential side effects to be aware of. And to ensure you're supplementing correctly, we'll walk you through the steps for measuring, mixing, and ingesting creatine powder. Are you ready to unlock your full potential with creatine? Let's dive right in. So what exactly is creatine? It's more than just a buzzword in the fitness world. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that our bodies produce from amino acids. It's stored primarily in our muscles, and to a lesser extent in the brain. But here's the fascinating part. Creatine plays a crucial role in the way our bodies produce energy. Imagine you're at the gym, lifting weights or sprinting on the treadmill. Your muscles are working overtime, and they need a constant supply of energy. That's where creatine steps in. It helps to regenerate a molecule called ATP, which is basically your muscle's main source of energy. So when you supplement with creatine, you're essentially increasing your body's store of this high-energy molecule, allowing your muscles to work harder for longer. It's like giving your muscles a turbo boost, and the result? Enhanced strength, muscle growth, and athletic performance. But creatine doesn't just stop at boosting your workout. Scientific studies have shown that it can also help improve brain function, protect against neurological diseases, and even reduce fatigue and muscle soreness. Now you might be wondering, where does creatine come from? Well, our bodies do produce a certain amount of it. However, we also get creatine from certain foods, like red meat and fish. But to really reap the benefits of creatine, many athletes and fitness enthusiasts choose to supplement with creatine monohydrate powder. Why monohydrate, you ask? It's simple. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most researched forms of creatine and has been proven to be both safe and effective. Plus, it's often more affordable than other types of creatine, making it a popular choice among those looking to enhance their athletic performance. So, to recap, creatine is a powerful compound that helps fuel our muscles and improve our athletic performance. It's a powerhouse supplement that can give you that extra edge in your fitness journey. Now that we understand what creatine is and how it works, let's talk about how to use it effectively. Knowing when and how much creatine to take can make all the difference in your results. Let's dive into the world of dosages and timing. So how much creatine should you take? Well, the answer depends on the phase you're in. During the first week, known as the loading phase, you should take around 20 grams of creatine per day, divided into 4 separate doses of 5 grams each. Why so much, you ask? This is to saturate your muscles with creatine quickly. However, taking 20 grams a day for too long can lead to potential side effects like stomach upset. So after a week, we transition into the maintenance phase. In the maintenance phase, a daily dose of around 3 to 5 grams is recommended. This keeps your muscles topped up with creatine without overloading your system. Remember, more isn't always better when it comes to supplementation. Now let's talk timing. There's been a lot of debate about when is the best time to take creatine. Before a workout? After a workout? In the morning? At night? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Research suggests that it's not so much about when you take creatine as it is about consistently taking it at the same time each day. So, whether you choose to take it before your workout, after your workout, or at another time during the day, stick to it. Consistency is key here. Some people prefer to take it before a workout to ensure their creatine stores are full, while others prefer to take it afterward to replenish the stores used during the workout. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. So find what works best for you and your routine. One last tip. Try to take your creatine with a meal or a carbohydrate source. This can help improve its absorption and effectiveness. With the right dosage and timing, you're well on your way to maximizing your workout results. But there's a little more to it than that. Using creatine effectively isn't just about when and how much you take. It's also about how you take it. Now let's delve into the proper supplementation techniques for creatine monohydrate powder. First off, you need to measure your dosage accurately. For most people, A daily dose of 5 grams during the maintenance phase is sufficient. That's about a teaspoon. However, it's always a good idea to use a precise scale if you have one. Pour your measured creatine into a glass. Next, you'll want to mix your creatine with a liquid. Water is a simple and effective choice, but you can also mix it with juice or your favorite sports drink. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved. This can take a minute or two, so be patient. Once your creatine is dissolved, it's time to drink up. Take it down in one go or sip it slowly, whatever suits your preference. What matters is getting it into your system. Now, let's talk about hydration. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, which is great for your workout, but it also means you need to drink plenty of fluids to stay properly hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, although you might need more if you're working out intensely or if it's particularly hot. Monitoring your body's response to creatine is also crucial. Everybody is different, and what works well for one person might not work as well for another. Pay attention to how your body feels and performs both during and after your workouts. If you notice any adverse effects like stomach discomfort or muscle cramps, it might mean you need to adjust your dosage or timing. Lastly, you might have heard about creatine cycling. That's taking breaks from creatine every few weeks or months. While this isn't necessary for everyone, some people find it helpful to prevent their bodies from becoming too accustomed to the supplement. Remember, proper supplementation is key to reaping the benefits of creatine. So measure accurately, stay hydrated, monitor your body's response, and adjust as necessary. Happy supplementing. Don't just take our word for it, hear from the experts who have seen the benefits of creatine firsthand. These professionals, from sports nutritionists to personal trainers, all agree that creatine monohydrate is a valuable addition to a fitness regimen. They highlight its potential to enhance strength, promote muscle growth, and improve overall performance. But it's not just the experts. We've also heard from many fitness enthusiasts who've seen substantial improvements in their workouts. They've shared stories of lifting heavier weights, running faster, and even recovering more quickly after intense sessions, all thanks to creatine. These testimonials, paired with expert insights, reinforce the importance of proper dosage, timing, and hydration when taking creatine. They remind us that while it's a powerful supplement, it must be used responsibly. With the right knowledge and approach, creatine can be a game changer in your fitness journey.